Let's say you want to run finger pull. You will need to figure out the process out by yourself in terms of which side you need to do first. I just don't have the time to be tinkering around with this, but what I can do is I can show you how to set this machine to run the 45 angle. So what you want is basically you want this panel to tilt. So when you do push, if you come around over here for me, you can see how it needs to be nicely rolling up against the material. So step back for me for a little bit. Over here we have the adjustment for the angle. It can twist the whole arm. So let's bring that across nicely. Release, out. And you can see how it's pretty much perfect across here. So same principle, running it straight from, hit the switch, come across, obviously lift this bit up, get the trusty pliers so we don't burn ourselves. Move it up a bit, push across, the edge tape will come across, keep pushing downwards, pushing, and you're done.